Today, we're uncovering 5 wealth mistakes that keep people trapped in financial struggle.
Most people don't stay poor because they lack talent. They stay poor because they repeat the same money mistakes every single year. These repeated mistakes create a poverty cycle that leads to stagnant wealth and limited growth.
Let's expose these 5 mistakes right now.
Welcome to Money Mastery, your guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and your financial life will change forever. Let's explore 5 critical financial mistakes that keep most people from building real wealth.
The first mistake is having no financial plan whatsoever. Most people just earn money, spend it immediately, and repeat this cycle endlessly.
Without tracking expenses, an investing system, or any vision for the future, there's no foundation for wealth. A goal without a plan is just a wish. The second mistake is lifestyle inflation.
As income rises, spending rises even faster.
New phone, new car, new vacations. One upgrade leads to another. They look rich on the outside, but stay broke underneath. The third mistake is fear of investing.
Many people save money successfully, but never take the step to invest it.
Meanwhile, inflation eats away at savings. Time passes, opportunities disappear, and their money slowly erodes. Money that doesn't grow dies. The fourth mistake is chasing quick money.
Crypto tips, stock tips, get-rich-quick schemes. They all promise fast returns, but deliver losses. Chasing speed ends up wasting years of your life.
Fast money is the slowest way to build wealth. The fifth mistake is having no financial education. Schools teach math, but never teach you how money actually works. This leaves people financially blind, emotionally reactive, and easy to manipulate. Your income grows with your knowledge. Which of these 5 mistakes hit you the hardest? Here's the final takeaway.
You are not poor because of bad luck. You are poor because nobody taught you how money really works.
If this video opened your eyes, show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing for more.
Up next, we're diving into something exciting.
The next video shows you how to build your first portfolio from scratch, whether you're aiming for 1 crore rupees or $100,000. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.